is. It's Bevby. Yes, that's me, Bevby. Who else would it be except for me? Today we're going to be unboxing an Oraloa. You already know what it is from the thumbnail and the title, but I have not seen it yet. Let's take a look. Oh, look! We have a thank you card. Merci, gracias. Let your creativity sparkle. That's really nice. And then we get a little thank you gift. Okay, let's see what we have inside. Oop. So we get, proud to offer you a selection of artisanal products made in Canada, Chouette Cire and Le Dossier d'une Plume. Okay, so we got some stickers, a little surfing dude, a little wave. Here is Le Dossier d'une Plume and Chouette Cire. And let's see what we got from them. I have wax from Chouette Cire. I've actually shopped at on their store before. Caramel diamond painting wax. Let's smell it. Let's give it a little smell. Oh, that smells so good. I like that already. And a cover minder from Le Dossier d'une Plume. It's a little magnet on the back. This is really nice. It's resin, and I believe these are all handmade by her. Cool. So that's a nice little bonus gift. The diamond painting I ended up getting was Time to Witch. So let's open this up. So it comes to us inside of the box and then wrapped in plastic. Take a look-see. I'm not sure if this is a version 1 or version 2 kit, but we can look. So here is the schematic, and this is a sticker sheet, instructions on how to diamond paint, drills, and a toolkit. So you get a tray, what is it? I forget what this is, like a 6-7 placer, a thing of wax, a set of tweezers, and a pen with a 3 placer and a squishy for your hand. Okay, so this is really cute. It's so small and tiny. So this measures, does it say what it measures? 30 by, I'm so blind. This measures 30 by 40 centimeters. And here's the thumbnail. It's very cute. This should be really quick to work on. And this is a square diamond painting. I know that their version 1 kits had issues with the squares, so I'm not too sure if this is a version 1 or version 2 kit, but it is very cute. Here's the schematic. No weird symbols or anything like that. And it looks like it is 35 colors with, holy, 2, 4, 6 ABs. That's crazy. So let's take out the ABs, or let's take a look at the ABs. So here are all the ABs on this end. Here are our ABs, 35, which is a white. This one, yellow, pink, a red AB. These are really hard to tell they're ABs. Are they ABs? I feel like these aren't ABs. I could be wrong, but these are supposed to be AB. I may have to contact them about that. 31 and 30. So those are our 6 ABs. Again, I don't know about this red. What do you guys think? Is that an AB? I don't think it's an AB. I will have to contact them about that. Let's put these away and see where these ABs actually go on the canvas. Right off the bat, we have 30, which is like this little swirly symbol. It's a purple. So that's going to be all along here, down here, and on the same side here. On the other side, it's kind of the same. And then 210, which is the lighter purple, 31. 31. I'm guessing it's going to be in that. Okay, so there's a little bit here, here, and same on the other side. Like you'll see it again in the flowers or whatever, the leaves, you'll see it. And then 32, which is that red. It's going to be in his nose. So is there only 4? So it looks like there's only 4 ABs for the red, which is really weird. So I might not even contact them because I'm pretty sure I have that AB in storage somewhere. So yeah, I might not even contact them about that, but still, like, that sucks because you're expecting ABs, but you don't get ABs. The pink or whatever color, 602 AB, which is 33, is A. Where would A be? Oh, so just the pink. There's 2 in his nose, and that's the only place that I see it. Yeah, that's the only place. So there's 4 of the NAB, of the N symbol, and 2 of the A. So that's kind of silly. And then 743 AB, which is that yellow color, which is going to be his eyes, exclusively his eyes. And 35, which is that white color. So it's going to be all of the moon behind him. That's all going to be AB. So this is really cute. What do you guys think of this canvas? Again, this one is called Vayunet Time to Witch, 40 by 30 centimeters. And it's a square diamond painting. And there's a thumbnail. I'm not sure if this is still available because I did get this quite a long time ago. But I will leave a link to the Oraloa website, and I am an Oraloa ambassador. So if you want to get 15% off your next purchase, you can use BevB15, and I'll have the code down in the description box below. Let me know what you think of this. I like the size of it. It'll be a really quick canvas to do. And if you're new here and you found this video useful, I'd love it if you join my hive. All you have to do is click that subscribe button, the red one over here somewhere, and you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Thanks, guys. Talk to you in the next one. Bye.